Oh, girl, where'd you get this coffee?
Many of us take a break and go to the local cafe to procure that tall drink of designer coffee. Here's a way to continue that habit in-house on a more economical scale. This tip to you is going to show you exactly how to take coffee and make your own portable coffee bags and percolate your coffee per cup just like it's done with the Keurig. You will therefore be able to make 1 cup of coffee at a time and save time and money. The main ingredients needed are coffee, powdered milk, and some spices of your choice such as ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, or even turmeric. Other ingredients I will be utilizing are wheatgrass powder and protein powder to meet different needs and desires. One can purchase reusable tea bags or disposable tea bags in various amounts. Today, we are utilizing disposable tea bags. This variety of coffee is good to have on hand when having an event or other gathering to offer a variety of options to those in attendance. There will be a choice between consuming a protein coffee, energy coffee, vitamin coffee, health coffee, or plain coffee. Instead of going out to buy coffee, you already have it on hand in the house. Tasty, savoring, and economical. Wifey, if you started that money jar, you can take the money saved and add it to the jar. You can't earn a quarter if you don't save a quarter.
Oh, girl, where'd you get this coughing?
Make the bags in advance, and there will not be a tedious task to perform later. You've just got to try this. Remember, make it, don't fake it. Like little Richard, I did it first. The UHCEO. Shalom.